How this helps the environment. This small irrigation system is eco-friendly because it uses recycled materials like plastic bottles and collects rainwater for watering plants. By reducing water waste and reusing materials, it helps conserve natural resources and reduces plastic pollution. Why this is budget friendly? This system is very low cost because it uses easily available recycled items like old plastic bottles and cheap electronic components. Instead of buying expensive irrigation systems, we can build this at home with simple tools, making it affordable for everyone, even small farmers.
How this helps the environment. The smart irrigation system is eco-friendly because it uses recycled materials like plastic bottles and collect rainwater for watering plants. By reducing water waste and reusing materials, it helps conserve natural resources and reduces plastic pollution. Why this is budget friendly? The system is very low cost because it uses easily available recycled items like old plastic bottles and cheap electronic components. Instead of buying expensive irrigation systems, we can build this at home with simple tools, making it affordable for everyone, even for small farmers.
Good evening, judges. My name is Vitesh from 2 Austin. Technology is transforming agriculture by making it smarter and more efficient. In my project, a microcontroller and a moisture sensor work together to water plants only when needed, using recycled materials. It saves water, cuts labor, and makes smart farming accessible to everyone, including small scale farmers. This is how we grow more, waste less, and farm smarter. Thank you.
Good day, judges. Let me now walk you through how my smart irrigation system works, step by step. Step 1. Rainwater collection. A recycled plastic bottle or tank is placed outdoors to collect rainwater, usually from rooftops or open spaces. This acts as the system's main water supply. Step 2. Soil moisture sensor. Next, the moisture sensor is inserted into the soil near the plant's roots. It constantly monitors the soil's water level. Step 3. Microcontroller activation. When the soil becomes too dry, the sensor sends a signal to microcontroller such as an Arduino. This microcontroller works like the brain of the system, making decisions based on real-time data. Step 4. Pump activation. Once triggered, the microcontroller turns on a small water pump. The pump is connected to the recycled water bottle via simple plastic tubing. Step 5. Watering the plants. Water flows through Water flows through the tubing and is delivered directly to the base of the plant, right where it's needed with no waste. Step 6. Auto shut off. Once the soil has enough moisture, the sensor detects it and sends a signal back to the microcontroller, which turns off the pump automatically. This system is automatic, affordable, and eco-conscious. No need for daily watering, no water runoff, and no waste. So in the end, we are just growing plants. We are growing sustainability on drop at a time. Thank you.